What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the plate boots of the Fallen Kingdom in Crimson Desert. If your character keeps running out of stamina, this is a good find. These boots provide Cliff a 2% stamina regen boost, along with a climb speed multiplier of 2%. To find these boots, open up your map. On top of the letter N of Hernand, you can see my character marker standing on a location called Nightstorm Cave. Now obviously, if you haven't explored this area yet, it won't appear on your map. So on your end, just add a waypoint to where I'm currently standing on my map. It's on a stream that's on top of the letter N, and it connects to a lake on the east. If you arrive from the top, go downstream. If you arrive from the bottom, do a bit of timing. Just follow the stream until you find a waterfall with this small pile of rocks that marks the cave behind the waterfall. Next thing you're gonna do is to approach the waterfall facing it. Ready your weapon and do this stab move, which is done by pressing shift and right click. This move will let you pierce through the current, and once on the other side, pop up your lantern. Travel to the end of the cave and you'll find a headgear and some revival pills. And finally, for the grand prize, it's inside the chest. Loot it and you'll get your premium plate boots. Now I really hope this tutorial helped. Please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.